Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about Truist Bank. So they are offering a huge $400 checking account bonus, and this offer is available to many states out there. So if you're interested, if you're in one of those states where you can make $400 off your direct deposit, then stay with me. Before we jump in, I do have a quick disclaimer. So I am a customer, again, for Truist. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not endorsed by them. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only. The information in this video is current as of time of recording. These videos are not short, but they definitely are profitable. Use this information at your own risk. It does not mean that you're going to get approved. This is called fishing and not catching, and as is everything in life, your mileage may vary. All right, so do have a $4 million goal for the year 2024. I want to see at least 1,000 people make at least $4,000 off these videos. If you can appreciate profitable content like this on a consistent basis, do me a favor, hit this video with a huge thumbs up. Churn in the heart of Texas. So this is one of my favorite ice cream brands from HEB. Just love seeing churn in the heart of Texas. Share that with y'all. Why not? All right, so a couple quick plugs before we jump in. Groundfloor is all about making money from people fixing and flipping homes, which is definitely a thing. It's definitely profitable. Just got paid back 13% on this investment here on North 2nd Street. If you're interested in making this type of money, I mean, anybody can make 5% off of their savings account. That's not a big deal, but making 13%, that's real nice. If you're interested in making those types of returns on investments backed by real estate, Groundfloor gave me a referral link. So if you join with Groundfloor, use my referral link, put in $100, they'll give you a $50 bonus on top of that, on top of the huge gains you can get back. So referral link in the description box down below, QR code, or you can always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. Second plug, Laurel Road. It is very rare to see a one-day savings account bonus. Laurel Road will pay you $200 for your money to be there for just one day, for day 90 after you open up the account. No direct deposit. Here's the link to the video, and more importantly, here is the correct referral link. I had a little mishap where I kind of confused the old referral link and the new one, so here's the new correct one. And finally, Tasty Trade, they will pay you up to $5,000 for your brokerage account. So huge bonus. If you haven't seen this video, link this video up here. All right, so moving along. So quick shout out to pickleball champion of the world, Mr. Financial Gymnastics. Praying for better things than banker hours. So there's that, buddy. All right, so Truist, they are available in Alabama, Arkansas, Georgia, Florida, Indiana, Kentucky, Maryland, Mississippi, North Carolina, New Jersey, Ohio, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Tennessee, the best state of all, Texas, Virginia, West Virginia, and DC. So there's a lot of states in this. It does expire at the end of this month, so definitely want to take advantage of it. My apologies, I said South Carolina wrong. It should have been Trump, Carolina for Jeff. So there's that. All right, so link to this offer here if you're interested in taking advantage of this as truist.com/checking/open checking, QR code, or link in the description box down below, or you could always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. So here's what happens when you click on this. Open Truist, one checking online, earn $400 of qualifying activities. And this is a fun thing. I mean, most people, they work, they get direct deposits, and might as well get paid huge, like $400 for one direct deposit. So what's not to love about that? Why not auction off where your paycheck goes to the highest bidder? I mean, $400, $600. Do I hear $600? I recently made a video talking all about, auctioning off your direct deposits to the highest bidder. And that's what I've been doing this whole year. So made a video about this. Do this before your next paycheck. How to make an extra $5,000 per year, and this is quick and easy $400 towards a $5,000 goal. So link to that video here if you haven't seen that yet. Definitely recommend checking that out. All right. So as a new personal checking customer, you can become a new customer every, I believe, 12 months after you shut down your account. Open a new Truist one checking account from February 28th to October 30, 2024. Use this promo code. Don't worry, they automatically plug it in for you. You must open the account online and enter the promo code. Well, they already do it for you, which is cool. Receive at least one qualifying direct deposit and complete 15 qualifying debit card transactions or purchases within 90 days of account opening. All debit card purchases must be posted to your account to qualify. So what I do, Amazon basically, I think it's like $5 now instead of 50 cents, which is quite annoying. So I just give money to my church with a debit card, and it just goes on, post really quickly, and that's just, to me, is a really quick way to do debit card transactions. So stuff like this, I would not recommend doing like transfers, and just buy stuff. Like go to Walmart to self-checkout and buy like one banana at a time. I mean, as long as it's an actual purchase of what you're doing, not just transferring money or whatever. Make sure it's a purchase. So your balance has to be at least 1 penny until the reward, it'll be deposited within 4 weeks after qualification requirements have been met and verified. New account must be open in good standing with at least 1 penny. So love that. Just talked about all of that. Yep, just went over all of that. Okay, moving along. So after checking my records, I am good to go to get this bonus. I'll be sending them my first paycheck for October. So clients who are, where is it? If you've had if you close an account after 2/28/2023, so we are good because this bonus opened in February, so we are good. All right, proof is in the perks. No overdraft fees, none. So 5 ways to avoid monthly maintenance fee, 5 benefit levels with automatic upgrades. Ready to earn $400. So there's a link here how to open it up. We'll talk about what to do there. Open account online. So here's me applying for this. So start application. So are you already a Truist client? I currently am not. So for banks that they pay you to become a new customer over and over again, I shut them down as fast as I can. As soon as I get the bonus, if there's no early termination fee, I just shut them down and set a timer. Your cell phone's your best friend with this. So whenever you get the bonus, you set a reminder in your calendar, and then you get the updates. Hey, open up Truist again. So that's always a fun thing. So love pre-filled promo codes. So let's get started. So I said I'm not a client, even though I have been a client of theirs multiple times, even before they were Truist. Trying to remember what they were: SunTrust and another bank that I got multiple bonuses from. I don't remember off the top of my head. Anyway, so the promo code's already plugged in for you, so that's cool right there. Want to enroll in this offer? Yes, they want to make sure that you want to get their $400. So we are good. So I chose not to open up a savings account at the end. I kind of regretted it because you can put in $250 in credit card funding, up to $500. So I would just do whichever one's got the higher interest rate. This one's got $50 minimum. This one's got $50 minimum. So whichever one, high interest savings account, I'd probably go for the money market account. Tell us about yourself. So first name, middle name, last name, typical details, birthday, social security number, phone number, fun stuff, address, where do you live, what's your occupation, typical boilerplate, and then you have you got to continue saying that is who you are. Passing security checkpoint. So, and then terms and conditions. Are you do you owe the KGB? I mean the IRS money. So I put no, I don't. And then you want to hit submit application. And then just a moment, please don't refresh, verifying your eligibility. They're making sure that you're good for it. And they have 2 different options for debit cards, which is interesting. They have the freebie and Delta Sky Miles debit card. Annual fee up to $95 applies. So my family, we don't fly. We use hotel points. We don't really do the whole thing. That might be worth it. This might be a good card but it's also got $95 annual fee. If you could use something like PayPal Bill Pay, or I don't know, but they also kind of nerfed PayPal Bill Pay, so I don't know. Most credit cards give so much cash back, so I don't know if it's worth it to get $95 annual fee debit card. So set up your new card, create a new PIN, order the Truist debit card. I got the freebie one, expecting 5 to 10, and email confirming my approval. Your application is approved, John. Hey, thanks for opening a Truist One checking. Here's some important details. So they give you your account and routing number. So I screenshotted that, and then I have to, whenever I switch my direct deposit for my work, I just show them a screenshot, my name, routing number, accounting number, and I am good to go. So choose deposit method, add money. So use debit or credit card. So I chose you can do up to $250 per account. You also want to make sure it says promo added. That's one of the fun things. Make sure that we are good to go. We're getting paid. We're not opening account for free, because who would want to do that? Use a debit card. So between 50 to 250, I think it's per account. Excuse me. So name on card, account number, expiration date, security code. And then you can do $50 minimum, $250 maximum. I believe it's per account, as I said. Something made me think then. Submit transfer. Processing transfer request. I use the... Okay, so I always get a bunch of questions about cash advance fees, cash advance fees, cash advance fees. So here is, I used this card right here, the Bank of America 1.5% cashback card, the unlimited card. Bank of America is friendly to this game. So I always request more to be funded than your cash advance limit, and you can't get charged any cash advance fees. So for example, I just funded $250, and right here is my total credit line, $24,200. Cash credit line $200. So I funded $250. My limit's $200. So they got two options: either let it go or don't let it go. So if they let it go, it's got to go through as a purchase. So that's how you avoid cash advance fees. Hope that helps out. So I'm always happy to answer emails. I always get a ton of emails in regards to cash advance fee, cash advance fee. So that should be a little tutorial on cash advance fee. Your new account is open. We emailed, so they're really good with communicating. So $250 in credit card funding per account. Maybe I should have opened up more accounts, but hey, that's all right. So here's the math: $400 bonus on 500 direct deposits. That is a 80% bonus. That is huge. Would your boss give you an 80% bonus? Probably not. Truist will. So power ranking this bonus. I do power rankings based upon math and not based upon feelings. So $400 bonus is 4 points. They pay rather quickly. So from my records with them, 3 days to 1 week, that's 5 points. Less than 1 week to get the bonus. 80% return on direct deposit, that is max points. So 6, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 points, that is definitely top shelf Supremo. So shout out to Truist for being top shelf with this bonus. So love it. Bank account bonus central verdict. One thing that never ceases to amaze me is banks like Truist and Chase and Wells Fargo. They literally pay you, and so many other ones I make videos about. They pay you a lot of money to keep opening up new accounts that take 12-month break in between, and I'm more than happy to do so. So you can make money off the business account and the personal account. So join me with Truist. I just got approved for them again, so join me. That's 400 easy bucks for one direct deposit. Next is going to be America's Christian Credit Union, so that's going to be another 400 for 2 direct deposits, which is more than fine. So many really fun ways to make money. So I still have comments off for these videos, but if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, criticisms, you can always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. And today's question: does God really exist? Can we prove his existence? Well, Psalms 19, love this psalm. It says, "The heavens proclaim the glory of God. The skies display his craftsmanship." That looks to me like a happy face, 2 eyes and like a smile. Beautiful picture that my son took. Day after day they continue to speak. Night after night they make him known. They speak without a sound or word. Their voice is never heard, yet their message has gone throughout the earth and their words to the world. So additional information about this, if you are interested, how to follow Jesus, gotquestions.org, link in the description box down below. So if you're still here with me, definitely appreciate it. Like the video if you appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis. Share this with anybody who would be interested or be able to take advantage of this profitable opportunity. Subscribe with bell notifications so you can be amongst the first to learn about such profitable opportunities. And with that, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.